Hello internet, it's been a while. We've got blue skies. Look at this, look, blue skies. And nothing untoward up there at the moment. Now, as I say, it's been a while since I've done anything, and this one is car content. So those that subscribe to the channel to see my cars, well, you won't be disappointed. I've just had delivered the next project car. So let me show you something a bit unusual. Are you ready? Are you ready? I've bought myself, and it's just literally been delivered, a Roadster. I've got a smart car. A little unusual, I know, and very filthy. So let me give you a bit of backstory on this. As you can see, it's filthy, covered in cobwebs. It hasn't been on the road now for close to 2 years, but it's been out of MOT and tax for about a year. So you don't need to go scrolling the internet. It has a flat battery at the moment, so I can't show you it started, and it just wants really commissioning. So a guy had it, and then he was part of our armed forces actually, got posted, and the car just sat there. So now it's come up for sale and I've got it. So it is an 04 smart car. It's the Roadster, obviously. I've been told it's got the Brabus wheels on it, which yeah, they look quite nice, and yeah, make it look a bit different. Obviously in black. It's got a rag top. I've got no idea how any of this works yet. As I say, the battery's flat. The interior, I guess, is a smart car. And I'll be totally honest, I know very little about these cars at all, apart from it's covered in cobwebs. There you go, look at that, that's pretty. So yeah, this is the new channel car. I've got the battery on charge at the moment. How good it is, I have no idea. I know the immobiliser's on because the key fob battery is gone. It's got a couple of marks on it, but for its age, not too bad. Tyres are pretty much brand new. It's solid, which is the main thing. Just needs recommissioning. So I've got some work to do. So there you go, there's the reveal of the new channel car. I hope you like it. I hope we get some good content with it. Obviously the last one was the Tigra, and that turned out okay, so we'll see how this one goes. It's going to be interesting. I've never driven one of these. In fact, I've never driven the smart car, so yeah, we'll see how a little 700cc engine on a sequential gearbox goes. Right, that's it for now, but yeah, keep posted. This is going to be a journey. Cheers all, bye bye.